Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar,
This is Baitul Firdousi Islamic English channel. I am your lecturer, presenter and speaker, Dr. Firdousi. My dear brothers and sisters in Islam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The people ask me, why is this 1 month? Whereas in some other religions, only just 1 day, some special day, or on some occasions 1 day or 2 days. Why is this Ramadan Kareem in Ramadan, that is 30 days? If moon is sighted after 29 days or 30 days, no 31. Why is this 1 month? What's the secret behind it? In my previous lecture, I told you that this is a period of training. 1 month, you are trained fully. Who is training? Quran is training, Ahadith is training, our Prophet Muhammad is teaching, training. And you are the trainer for yourself. You are the only trainer. There is nobody else who is going to train you every time how to sit, how to pray, how to talk to the people, how to do business, how to avoid yourself from the sins, from cheating the people and everything, how to avoid. Nobody is teaching you, but you are teaching yourself. Who is that yourself? Your brain. What's your brain? Which is already installed with Quran Kareem and Prophet Muhammad sayings. Well, 1 month, that's enough. Allah knows. Allah knows 1 month of full training in the month of Ramadan will make a perfect training to a person so that he is renewing his character, his necessities of life with the idea of pure Islam in his heart, in his soul. Well, if this 11 months of the other months of Ramadan, 11 months, is there any possibility that the man loses this training and gets himself astrayed? That's the reason why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says. He says in Surah Fatiha, He says, Ihdina siratul mustaqim, siratul lazina alhamta alayhim, ghayril maghdubi alayhim, waladwalli, not with those people. Don't put us in the line with the group of the people who are dallin, who have been astrayed and who got your anger. That means there is possibility for man, there is possibility for human beings that they may lose that intensity, that kind of effect in their soul, in their body. It is their bad luck. It is one's own thinking. If your soul is pure, your thinking is pure, your training is perfect 100%, it will continue for 11-month course, practically. Physically, your body, your mind is controlling and your mind says, it is allowed, you didn't do like that in Ramadan, so don't do it now, here it is wrong. If someone is trying to cheat someone by telling lies for some sort of money and other things, your mind says, you didn't do this in the month of Ramadan, because you thought Allah is in your mind, in front of you, you never did that, so is this way. So you are supposed to do the same thing like what you did in Ramadan. In Ramadan Kareem, every minute you think, because you are fasting and you feel that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is there and He knows that you are fasting. Fasting in the sense, not only just leaving food for the whole day. It's the period, it's the time that you should feel that you are fasting because of the commandments. The command, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, fast. Fast. There are 5 pillars. So, this Psalm is Ayyam Sawm. Ramadan is the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Surah Al-Baqarah, it says that one, that you have to fast. It's already been prescribed to you, like for those people who were before you. So, you are getting fully trained yourself. You are training yourself and your soul and your body. Everything is going to be under control of purity of your soul and heart. This is Ramadan Kareem. So you will continue the same practice, same habit and same physical activities, mental activities, thinking way and everything like what you had it in the month of Ramadan. That is called the Ramadan Kareem, is the training for 1 month. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much. Again, we are going to have more and more lectures on Ramadan Kareem. Jazakallah. Share Ramadan Mubarak to you all.